You put on a fitted t-shirt. You look in the mirror. And for a second, everything looks fine. Not perfect, but acceptable. Like maybe you're in decent shape. Then something changes. You take the shirt off, and the illusion disappears. Your chest doesn't look defined. Your shoulders don't look as broad as you thought. Your arms look smaller than expected. And your stomach looks softer than you realized. You pause for a moment, because something feels off. You're not overweight, but you're not fit either. And that confusion is what bothers you the most. Because on some days you think you look okay, but on other days you don't recognize your own body. This is where most people start asking the wrong question. They ask, how do I lose fat faster? Or, what diet will fix this quickly? But the real question is deeper than that. Why does my body look like this in the first place? And once you understand that, everything changes. Because skinny fat is not about weight. It is not a medical condition. It is a body composition problem. It means your body has two issues at the same time: low muscle mass and relatively higher body fat. That combination creates a soft appearance, a flat chest, a less defined arms, a stomach that doesn't feel tight. Even if your weight is normal, even if your BMI looks fine on paper, you can still look unfit. And that surprises most people, because they assume weight equals fitness. But that is not true. Two people can weigh the same and look completely different. One looks strong and athletic. The other looks soft and tired. The difference is not fat alone. It is muscle. Muscle changes everything about your shape. And this is where most people misunderstand their body. They focus only on fat loss. They think shrinking their body is the answer. But they completely ignore muscle. And that is where the real problem begins. When people realize they are skinny fat, they panic. They start cutting calories aggressively. They remove carbs completely. They start long cardio sessions every day. They think suffering equals progress. But something unexpected happens. Their body gets smaller, but not better. They lose weight, but not shape. They lose fat, but also lose muscle. And without muscle, the body has no structure, no definition, no firmness. So they end up with the same problem, just in a smaller version. And this creates frustration, because effort is high, but results are low. And most people quit right here. Not because they are lazy, but because they are following the wrong strategy. And this is exactly where the solution begins. There is a better way, a smarter way, and it is called body recomposition. This means building muscle and losing fat at the same time. Not extreme dieting, not punishment workouts, but balance, controlled progress, and consistency over time. This is how real transformations happen. Not quickly, but properly. First step is food. Do not starve yourself. That only slows your metabolism and makes your body hold on to fat. Instead, eat close to your maintenance level, or slightly below it, around 10 to 15% deficit. That keeps your energy stable and protects your muscle. Now comes the most important part: protein intake. Because protein is what rebuilds your body. Without it, training does very little. Your body simply cannot change shape properly. So you need to be consistent here. Eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, lean meat, protein shakes if needed. Nothing fancy, just repeated daily habits. Now let's talk about fat loss. You do not need extreme cardio. You do not need suffering workouts. You need movement. Simple daily movement. Walking is one of the most powerful tools because it is sustainable, and sustainability always wins long term. 7 to 10,000 steps per day is enough. It burns calories naturally, without stress, without burnout, without hunger spikes. Now comes the real transformation trigger: strength training. This is what actually changes your body shape. Not dieting alone, not cardio training, but not random training. You need structured progress. This is called progressive overload. It simply means improving slowly over time. 1 extra rep, slightly heavier weight, better control, cleaner form, small improvements each week. That is how muscle grows. And muscle is what gives your body structure. Without muscle, the body stays soft, even at low weight. But here is something most people ignore: recovery. Because your body does not grow during workouts. It grows after workouts, during rest, during sleep. If you are not recovering properly, you are not improving. At least 7 hours of sleep is essential, not optional, required. Now here is something important to understand. The scale will not always show progress clearly, and that is normal, because muscle is denser than fat. So even if your weight stays the same, your body can still improve dramatically. That is why you should not rely only on numbers. Instead, focus on real changes: your mirror, your strength, your clothes, your posture, and your photos over time. That is where transformation becomes visible. And if you stay consistent, your body will slowly change. Not overnight, but clearly. You become stronger, more defined, more athletic, and more confident naturally. And one day, you look in the mirror again and realize something important. You are no longer the same person. That is the real transformation, and it is completely possible for you. Subscribe to VitaSignal 60, helping you stay strong, healthy, and confident at any age.